Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. It's been a minute since, probably a few minutes.
By minutes, we mean weeks.
Yes,
clearly.
weeks.
It's been some time.
It's definitely been some time. We have spent a little bit of time traveling, going to visit some friends, and getting engaged. Yay!
To each other.
Yes. Or Dana would not be here.
Really?
Or I wouldn't be here. And winter is coming. So we had to address the snow issue here in Ohio and our boat storage. We did not want to have a repeat of last year of taking snow out of the boat every time we had a bad storm. So
Basically, how it happened all summer is it would rain and we'd have to take water out of the boat. So compound that with frozen water and not fun.
Yeah, not fun. It sucked. So we needed to make a permanent solution. So we built a lean-to the shop, as you'll see here. But now that that's done, we can get back to some fun. And we need to get back to Clara. We have more teardown to do. Not that much left, but we still need to reach a point where everything is done and ready to go. So today is going to be another just low dialogue episode of tearing out more pieces of the car, just trying to reach that goal line that we've set for ourselves. So follow along and enjoy. Thanks.
Tim's on the move. Well, he's gonna have to come at my face and live for now.
All right, one down. All right. There we go.
Always sounds like we're busting a nut or something.
Yeah, it does. It just busted a nut. All right.
There you go. 1 out of 2 ain't bad.
I'll take that.
Well, you think sometimes these bolts will just be small and the wrench you have in your hand can go ahead and take care of it, but damn, once you get started, you're like, how long is this bolt? Finally. All right, rear brakes are now out.
That one is friend.
You got that? There you go. Yeah, it's a little heavy. All right. Nice work.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, look at that.
Would you look at that?
Would y'all look at that? What'd you say?
To take off the rear shocks, you actually have to go into these rear access holes from within, not necessarily the trunk, but pretty damn close, I guess, right in between back seat and the trunk. So, pretty interesting. There's the top bolt.
Yeah.
That bushing is pretty bad. Yeah, I'd say that's time for that one to go.
How bad's that one?
It's not as bad, but it's certainly seen better days.
Yep.
Okay. All
Good
right.
thing we're replacing those.
Yep. All right.
What now?
Fuel tank. Yay.
No, I guess I have to move now.
Yeah. Get out of my trunk.
I just wanted to feel the power under my butt. Burn that energy.
Getting some fumes there.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be super high.
Super duper high.
I was gonna drop the fuel cell, then I got high. May I make a suggestion? Oh. Look at that, see how easy that was.
That was a lot easier. Yep.
See all that crud in the fuel filter?
Yeah, I see want to see all of it.
What in the Sam hell is this?
Well, I am not an expert in fuel bladders, and I don't know if this is okay. So, I'm going to reach out to FuelSafe and have a conversation with them and see if this needs to be replaced or not. I honestly don't know. None of it appears to be completely through. Well, yeah, this is pretty bad cracked. This is gonna have to be completely replaced. This is cracking really bad. Well, that's a major disappointment. Okay, I think that might be it for tonight.
Well, another close to another day, and not quite the close that we were looking for. But hey, what are you gonna do? I mean, we haven't ran into too many that have cost us outside of what we expected. Was not expecting that from this. So I'm hoping for some good news from FuelSafe that it's an easy replacement without having to get the entire piece, the entire fuel cell with the
Assembly.
bladder. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that we don't have to do that. But hey, we got rid of the rear shocks, all the brake lines are out, and
Part of the power steering.
part of the power steering is out. So we're making progress little by a little, and we'll reach that goal line at some point. But we'll continue wrenching on it this week, get some more things out, probably switch gears and jump to the interior next, and